Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not Utando Usne's child making a funny remark when Usne just gets up from I don't know whether to call it a dining table or from the table with ukudla and just leaves like that. Firstly, that was so rude of Usne, you guys. Just getting up like she's not even saying good night, goodbye, excuse me, nothing like that. And listen, Utando says, "Sekahambile lokhu." And everyone just starts laughing, you guys. Now some people are like, Umakhumalo benomangwabe. How are they laughing while Ingane is saying that, you guys? And I also felt somehow about that. One thing I know, if Umatsalo was there, you guys, that would never have happened. Umatsalo would have reprimanded Utando and said, "Utakhulunya kanjani." It's not whether about, or it's not about whether Utando was right or whether, because some people are like, vele usne, the things she does, how can she expect Utando to respect her? Nomangwabe was saying that in a diary session, which if Usne herself, she treats herself, or how does she expect Ngane to uhlonipa her? But at the end of the day, Umakhumalo and Umangwabe, guys, they are wives, and I just felt like it was offish for them to laugh at what Utando was saying. Everyone was laughing. I just felt like maybe they could have laughed about it on the side, but not in front of Ingane, because you know what's going to happen? Iqala kanje, guys. Iqala kanje. Today, Utando will be making a funny remark about Umawake, and she feels like it's fine because Umawake. Tomorrow it will be another wife. Bazotin. How will they reprimand her tomorrow when it's another wife? Because they're finding it excusable for Utando to say that about her own mother. Now, other people are busy saying, "Haibo guys, ninama double standards. Why inifunu gutu Umakhumalo benomangwabe bathethi singane, reprimand ingane?" Whereas Umayeni, you're not saying anything. Umayeni sat there while Umpumelelo was busy back chatting or having some sort of argument with his father, and Umayeni kept quiet. So why are we not saying the same thing about Umayeni? Guys, we'll have a separate video about Indabaga Mayeni, because yay, people are just like Lengani Mpumelelo. The reason why Etelela Ganje and has the nerve to speak like this to his father is because Mawake can speak to Umtombeni anyhow. She speaks to him anyhow in front of the children. So it's not surprising to see Umpumelelo do the same. And you know what, guys? They are not lying. They are not lying, but we'll do a separate video about that. But guys, you tell me your thoughts. Do you think which it was appropriate for Makhumalo benomangwabe to laugh along with Utando nezingingane when Utando made that remark? Number two, I saw some other people saying, Uguti, no, Umangwabe benomakhumalo, they were gossiping about Tumayeni. I'm like, how were they gossiping about Tumayeni? Because they were talking about, like, I don't see that as gossip, because there's nothing, number one, sinister that was said. Umbali was basically repeating or about the meeting. She was because Utobine was not there. So what did they say? That is, I'm just like, guys, let's just speak the truth. In real life, that's how we have conversations. So I don't understand why all of a sudden people want to make it seem ingati like Umbali benomayeni are always ganging up or always gossiping about. Even if they are gossiping, vele guys, usemshado usesithembini laphayana, it's like that. And probably, or chances are, other wives are doing that with their friends, but it's just not on camera. So I don't know why people are making it a big deal, because I don't feel like Umbali and Tobile, anything they were saying, they were gossiping about her. I don't even feel like there's anything that was wrong that was said, but maybe the part where they said which, or where Tobile said which, so merasho kanjalo, or if Umayeni is saying she won't cook, ingane zona zizophekela ubani. Do you understand what I'm saying? Which is why Umayeni came with her own kids. She did not let them go before time. She came with her own kids so she could cater to her kids. So I'm just like, guys, this is just so unnecessary. Like, please, Like, we always have conversations, especially as women, we always repeat conversations, and I don't think it's really that deep. But the way people are just making it seem as if Utobin just doesn't like Umayeni and they're constantly against Umayeni, I'm just like, please, man. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.